Get him, Pebbles. Get him, girl.
Hey, Pookie, get the toy,
Hey, Prince, can you speak to the camera? Tell us why you guys are always fighting.
Pookie, get the toy thing. Get the toy, Pookie.
Hold on. Got it.
Why didn't you get the toy?
I think she tired of Prince. Wait, why you bluffing, Pebbles?
Did he just bite her? Y'all stop. Be a friendly couple. He gonna land up biting the best out of Pebbles.
Pebbles a bully.
He trying to bite her ear off, Pookie. He trying to kill her.
No, look, he trying to make up to her. Look, he's saying he's sorry. I'm sorry, baby. I'm sorry. I didn't mean it. I'm sorry. No, no, no. How you just gonna walk away? You don't think you just gonna walk away like that? No, you ain't walking away today. Nope. Nope. Oh, for real? You gonna be like that? You like that? I bet. Bet. I'm gonna whoop your ass. Get it? Get him, Pebbles. Get him, girl. Why y'all fighting? Oh, now they making up. Weirdest couple ever. Y'all dripping slob all on me. Look at them kissing and hugging. Look at them. Whoa. Woo. Hey, Pebbles. Pebbles, stop. Stop. Now, get away. Get away. No humping today. Move. Stop. And Pebbles, you stop. Get off. Sit. Sit. See that? Stop. What'd I say? You ain't getting out of this. Nope. Nope. Sit. Sit it. Sit it down. Sit it down. Sit. See, she's sitting. Why ain't you sitting? Nope. Yeah.
Can Pebbles be tied up too, Pookie? Cause it don't make no sense for one to be loose and one to be tied up.
Yes, it do.
No, because if
Prince needs to be tied up. This is Pebbles' yard.
No, but Pebbles gonna be trying to get him too.
No, she not. Big head. Hey, Prince. Look at me. Big boy. Pebbles. Come here, Pebbles. Don't go, Mama. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here, No, Pebbles good. And that is the end, my friend.